Ever been stuck in a situation where you needed to pay for something, but you didn't have cash or your card handy? It's a common dilemma, especially in today's fast-paced world. Well, fear not. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of GrabPay and explore how you can use this convenient digital wallet to make your life easier. Let's start with the basics. GrabPay is a mobile payment app that allows you to store and manage your money digitally. It's like having a virtual wallet in your pocket. You can link your bank account, credit card, or even top up your GrabPay balance using cash. How to get started? To get started with GrabPay, you'll need to download the Grab app from your smartphone's app store. Once installed, you can create an account and set up your GrabPay wallet. It's a simple process that won't take long. Top-up options. There are several ways to top up your GrabPay wallet. You can transfer funds from your linked bank account, use your credit card, or even top up with cash at designated GrabPay kiosks. The best method for you will depend on your preferences and convenience. Using GrabPay for payments. Now, let's get to the fun part, using GrabPay for payments. The app uses QR codes to facilitate transactions. Simply open the GrabPay app, scan the QR code displayed by the merchant, and enter the amount you want to pay. Your payment will be processed instantly, and you will receive a notification confirming the transaction. Beyond payments, GrabPay features. GrabPay offers more than just payments. You can also use it to order food and drinks. Craving a delicious meal? Use GrabPay to order food and drinks from your favorite restaurants and have it delivered right to your doorstep. Book rides. Need a ride? GrabPay is integrated with Grab's ride-hailing service, so you can easily book a cab and pay for your fare using the app. Pay bills. Say goodbye to long lines at the bank. Use GrabPay to pay your bills, including utility bills, credit card bills, and more. Send money. Want to send money to friends or family? GrabPay makes it easy to transfer funds instantly. GrabPay rewards and promotions. One of the great things about GrabPay is that you can earn rewards and take advantage of exclusive promotions. Keep an eye out for cashback offers, discounts, and other perks that can help you save money. Security and privacy. GrabPay takes security seriously. Your account is protected with multiple layers of security measures, including PIN verification, fingerprint or facial recognition, and two-factor authentication. You can also track your transactions and monitor your account activity to ensure your funds are safe. So, there you have it. GrabPay is a convenient and secure way to make payments, order food, book rides, and more. With its wide range of features and rewards, it's no wonder why so many people are turning to GrabPay for their everyday needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of GrabPay and discover the many ways it can make your life easier.